Let us now say a few words about comments in C. Now, what are comments in C? Let's give an example. As you see, I have written this sentence, this is a test program, and preceded it with two slashes, a double slash at the very top of the program. This line constitutes what is known as a single line comment. Now, you could add another line this is another comment line, and better still, you could combine them together using what is known as a multi-line comment. So here, anything in between slash star and star slash constitutes what is known as a multi-line comment. You can put comments, be it a single line comment or a multi-line comment, at the top of the C program or anywhere within the C program. You need to keep in mind that when you compile your program, the compiler ignores all the single line, multi-line comments. So why do we need them at all? We need them so as to make your program more readable, more understandable.